Captain, we have a fire in the cargo hold. The fire is broken out. It constrained, but the situation is serious, and I need your immediate guidance on the next steps.
Understood. How severe is the fire? Is it spreading?
It's hard to say at the moment, Captain. We've initiated the fire suppression system, but we're still assessing the damage. I'm keeping the crew on alert. I recommend we begin preparing for a possible evacuation to the cargo hold if needed.
Alright, good. Let's stay in close contact. I'll alert the rest of the crew and prepare them for emergency procedures. Keep me updated in the situation every 5 minutes.
Absolutely. Captain, I'll make you sure to keep you informed, and I'll continue monitoring to the fire suppression systems. Scenario 2. Sudden engine failure during a storm.
Captain, this is the engineering team. We have encountered a serious issue. The engine has failed and we currently unable to bring it back online. We are in the middle of a storm and this could pose a risk we don't act quickly. Over.
Understood. How long do you expect it will take to fix the engine? Are we in danger of losing power?
We are doing best to diagnose the problem, but it will take some time to determine whether we can fix it or we need shift to backup systems. As of now, we still have power to critical systems, but we might lose some control if the storm worsens. Over.
Keep me posted with any updates. I'm going to alert the crew and prepare to stabilize the ship's position. Let's also start preparing backup plans in case we lose full engine power.
Yes, Captain, we are focusing on getting things fixed and we will keep you updated by every 10 minutes. Over.
Okay, thank you.
Scenario 3. Crew member overboard.
Captain, we have a crew member overboard. We have initiated the man overboard procedure, but the sea conditions are rough and the person is currently a significant distance from the ship. Over.
Understood. Do you have an initial assessment to their condition?
They are still visible, but the waves are making it difficult to keep track of them. We've launched the rescue boat and have deployed the crew to maintain visual contact. We're trying to close the distance as safely as possible. Over.
Good. Keep me informed every minute. I'll notify the rest of the crew and direct all available resources to support the rescue operation. Let me know if you need anything.
Will do, Captain. We're working too fast, but it's a challenging situation. We'll keep you updated on projects. Over.
Debriefing. How did sincerity influence your team's crisis response?
The chief officer immediately reported the fire to Captain Rumuga. Emphasizing the seriousness of the situation, the chief officer ensured the fire suppression system was activated and kept the crew on alert. Regular updates were provided every 5 minutes to maintain clear communications. So our decision-making process, we prioritize crew and vessel safety, transparent communication between officers.
Scenario 2. Sudden engine failure during a storm. Engineering team lead Alboro reported the engine failure to Captain Rumuga. Without delay, the team was the honest about the uncertainty of the repair time. While ensuring the critical system were still operational, updates we are provided every 10 minutes and backup plans were initiated. Our decision-making process, open communication about the severity of the issue, focus on troubleshooting while preparing contingency measures, coordinated with the bridge to stabilize the vessel during the storm.
Scenario 3. Crew member overboard. Officer on deck Giuliano reported the man overboard situation to
Captain Icas had initiated emergency procedure. Despite through sea condition, the rescue boat was launched. And crew member maintained visual contact. The captain was updated every minute to ensure all resources were utilized. So, our decision-making process. Immediate activation of man overboard procedures. Clear division of responsibility between the deck and the bridge. Constant communication to improve chances of rescue.
So, the conclusion. Our team demonstrated sincere decision-making by prioritizing safety, maintaining transparency, and communicating effectively. The scenarios emphasize the importance of teamwork, quick response, and adherence to emergency protocols.